all you know is that there is a Michael Jordan logo. See, I keep saying logo. Logo's right here. What's good, y'all? You just watched something on GameShore, and today we are on episode 3 of Hype Unboxings. And today you might know what this is, already judging from the box, but we have the Maniere, whatever way you pronounce it, Jordan 1s. And this is a very interesting cop. I did cop out the website manual. Shout out to Maniere. They actually do something against bots, but I digress. So, getting started with the box, you can see that there is a type of Jordan 11 vibe, at least old Jordan 11 vibes with this type of plastic that covers it. We have Maniere lettering and logos around it. Actually, it's only the A logo. Don't know if that's the full logo for them, or it's just, you know, the A, but can't complain. Definitely a cool concept, and definitely worth it. So, for these, the retail was $200, but once we get into it, you'll understand why. And I definitely did not have a problem paying for those 200 or extra bucks in comparison to the, you know, normal Jordan 1s. But around the box, we just had the Maniere logo, the A, Nike, and the tag. So let's get into it. Once we start off, you can see right here the Air Jordan Maniere picture right here, the iconic photo right here in Chicago. Shout out Chicago, based off of, or GameShore is based off of Chicago. So, you know, we love that. We love to see it. But definitely an iconic photo. Can't forget if you're in Chicago. And the wrapping is the same thing as the plastic on the exterior, which is the Maniere logo. And here are the shoes. Getting into it. Amazing. You can see right here, extra set of sail laces, but here is the shoe. You might be wondering, yo, what makes it worth $200? I'm like, let's get into it. So, first of all, this cracked leather is amazing. If you could see that cracked leather, it is definitely very, very unique, at least for the way this Maniere is set up, as well as the little sail outsole and brown, the sail midsole and the brown outsole. Definitely a plus, definitely something that you cannot forget, and something that you would always want, at least for me. Shout out to the Travis Scotts from last episode with the bottom. Next we have the almost type of snakeskin type of Nike check. Very interesting. It's not real from what I understand, but it does wrap around. It goes to the logo right here, as well as the outsole, or the back mid-tab, which is actually some very premium plush leather once you get started. Like touching it, and this does remind me of old Just Don Jordan 2 premium leather. If y'all know that shoe, if y'all ever saw it in pictures or hold it in hand, which, you know, that leather was immaculate. So that is about it for the right shoe. And obviously, or this is the left shoe. Wow. But for the right shoe, it's interesting because it does come with this leather hand tag. I don't know, it's authentic, real leather, but it does come with the Jordan logo right here for the Jordan 1, as well as the Maniere, if you could see that. And it does come with the Maniere Nike Air tongue logo, or tongue, which is actually pretty interesting because normally I don't like the tags of like new Jordan 1s because they look like all childish, but this really adds a sense of professionalism that, you know, I definitely could see myself rocking or rocking these with a suit myself any time of the year, especially in the fall. I think these are some great fall shoes. But yeah, other than that, hopefully you enjoyed, you liked it, and hopefully you're able to cop. Right now they're going also low for around like $350 to $300, somewhere around there. But I feel like these would be a great investment, as well as the flaps. You know, they're detachable, and they do have Michael Jordan logo slash, not Michael Jordan logo. It has a Michael Jordan quote. If I can open this, but I don't think I will be able to. Is there one over here? Obviously, they have it covered, but all you know is that there is a Michael Jordan logo. See, I keep saying logo. Logo's right here. But under the logo, there is a quote of Michael Jordan on both shoes. I do not know if they say the same thing, but it's definitely something you should look at and something that you should definitely invest in for the coming years. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Until next time. Peace.